guys, so for today's video we're going to be cleaning up a little bit and transitioning our house into fall. We love fall, it's our favorite season. We're just obsessed with the cozy, warm vibes. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So whenever we transition into a new season, I always like to start out with the coffee table first because it's the focal point of the living room. So I just start out by clearing the coffee table and taking everything off of our tray. So I'm just using good old Windex to clean the table. I normally just stick to Windex, or sometimes I'll just use hot warm water and it gets the job done. And I'm using a microfiber towel. You guys know Kendra bought a ton of these from Amazon, so I'm always using these to clean around the house. So I make sure I get the top and the bottom portion because the top is just a clear glass and then the bottom is mirrored. So I have to go over it a few times before I don't see anything. So I'm just going to place the tray back on, and that's when I'm going to add some of our fall candles. We got some of these candles from Home Goods and they smell amazing. One of them is called Warm Tobacco Pipe, and then the other one is called Mandarin and Bourbon, and they smell so cozy. And I just put the same pampas grass into an H&M Hurricane, so it just looks nice and warm and inviting. Okay, so I'm going to be starting on the couch, and usually I always like to vacuum the couch first. I usually do this about once a week, and especially if you have a lighter colored couch, this is really important because white couches tend to soil, which means you can see like dirt and things build up over time and it starts to look a little dull. So vacuuming your couch about once a week makes it look fresh and new, and it maintains the look of it. So I've been loving doing this, but the vacuum that I'm using is from Amazon, but you can get any handheld vacuum wherever you can find one. So I'm just going to vacuum the couch and replace the pillows. There are these black velvet ones and then these copper colored ones that we got from Home Goods. The black ones are from Amazon, by the way. The inserts and the covers, you can get velvet covers from Amazon, and they have so many different colors, so try Amazon. And we're also going to add this really large black throw that we got from Home Goods last year, and I think it finishes off the chase really nice. So after we're all done in the living room, I just like to go over and vacuum the floor with our good old Dyson. I love this vacuum. However, we do have to charge it a lot, but it's still a really good vacuum, and it's super easy to work with because it's super lightweight. So yeah. So for the buffet, I like to clear everything off of it first, of course, so I can make sure that I get all of the dust off of it. Honestly, this thing is usually the dirtiest because we don't clean it that often. But again, I'm just going in with some Windex, the same Windex that I use for the table, and it gets the job done. And I also like to use it on our actual lamps because those were kind of dusty as well. So for the buffet, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did last year with these pumpkins, these Pretty Mercury pumpkins that we got from Home Goods. I love these things. They also light up. You just put a battery in the bottom and you can turn them on. This year I decided to add these really pretty Crate and Barrel smoked gray hurricanes. And these are normally in my room, but this year I decided to put them on the buffet because I thought it would add a really nice cozy vibe to the living room for fall, and I love how it looks. And I'm just putting these Kevaldin Kensington candles in them to add a nice, sleek, sophisticated touch. So for the kitchen, I'm just gonna wipe down the countertops with the Clean Freak Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner. I love this one. It works really well on our countertops, doesn't leave those annoying streaks. So I'm gonna wipe that down really well, and then I'm gonna add some fall decor to it. So I'm going to be adding this really big Restoration Hardware candle. It's like 6 wicks and it has like a nice linen smell, but it's a little warmer. And those 2 black candles that we got, I think from Home Goods last year. So I'm going to add those to them as well. And in this corner here by the window, I'm going to add some amber / black smoky looking hurricanes, a taller one and then a shorter one. These are from H&M Home, and I'm going to add a candle inside the shorter one and a flameless candle in the taller one. And then in front of the window, I'm just going to add this diffuser that we had on the buffet, so I'm going to put that there. So I'm just giving the stairs a quick little sweep because they were kind of dusty. I had to change my slippers out because my pink ones were extremely dirty. You guys know we put these pumpkins on the stairs every year. I think this is like the 3rd year we're doing this. We've been doing this ever since we moved into this house. We found these at Home Goods. These also light up. You have to put batteries in them, so we don't turn them on every single day, but when we feel like turning them on, we'll turn them on because you have to turn them on individually. It gets kind of annoying, but they're still super cute. And for the kitchen table, I just added this cute little pumpkin and this autumn candle, both from Home Goods. Next, I'm gonna be mopping the floor. I feel like no space is completely clean unless you do the floors. So I'm gonna be using this Squirt mop almond scented hardwood floor cleaner. I love this one. It's from Target. And I like to dilute it with hot water, so I'll add a little bit in first and then put hot water in it. So I'm just gonna mop the floors. Obviously I'm just showing the kitchen, but I mop the entire downstairs with this. So I love this because the floor is really shiny, but it doesn't leave the floor sticky, and I just love a shiny, clean floor. Like, that's one of my vices. I'm obsessed with clean floors. And as you guys can see, I like to go over it twice just because I feel like when you go over your floors once, you didn't quite get everything. So just to make sure it's clean, I've been going over it twice. Alright guys, so that completes this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know if you guys have already started decorating for fall. It's officially cozy season, and I hope you guys have a beautiful, relaxed fall. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.